What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and this is a super requested video. You guys were saying that there's no such thing as $25 or $50 or $100 cars on Copart. Well, you're wrong. Here you go. One of the things that you guys asked me about was Alaska, so I figured I'd get a quick little, just a
high
bonus
participation
video
in the
for
lane.
you guys, specifically about Alaska. I got an email in a video we're gonna drop later this week. I got a new email address for you guys to actually send me lot numbers, stuff you guys want me to check out, like looking at it through the site, or if it's in striking distance to me that I can go see it, I'll go see it. But here's a prime example. Here's a 2021 Ram 1500
Bonus time.
Lone Star. It's been tagged everywhere. I mean, it's smashed upon smashed, but the interior and stuff looks nice. The engine, I don't know if the engine made it. But, you know, comes with a bill of sale, salvage title from Alaska. I'm going to assume that they rolled it. Yeah, it looks that way. They rolled it and smashed
Bonus time.
I mean, there's probably, I don't know if you're going to get your money back in parts, if you're actually going to be able to fix that at $7,400. That's insane. But, you know, mostly people are doing scumbag
Sold
activity.
on approval.
They probably want it for the VIN number. Here's an 09 Ford Taurus SE. Oof, another one that has just seen, what are y'all doing in Alaska? And this is gonna be a $25 car, huh? Look at that, 25 bucks.
Bonus time.
25 bucks. I have to screen grab that. We might have to make that the thumbnail. $25 car, man. Wow.
Sold on approval.
There you go, 25 bucks. Here's a brand new 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L. Overland, too. Where's the dent? I see the airbags are deployed. Okay. Was it undercarriage? Do you see? I don't see any damage. Oh, okay. I see it on this side. So they rolled it. What is with y'all in, what is the deal with y'all in Alaska rolling vehicles?
This is a hot lot.
And this one's going to go for a ton of money. They're going to get a ton of money out of this. Ton of money. I mean, retail on this thing is 68. Like, a third is okay. So, like, right here, it's good. Anything, like, much higher, nah, man. Nah, I don't see it. Just don't see it. 24. They keep bidding it, and you know what? They're gonna nickel and dime it, try to make people quit. This is one of the other things that happens.
Bonus time.
Ridiculous.
Sold,
and it's sold for $25,000. A little too much for me, but you know, it is what it is. This 90, these ML320s are not bad. 25 bucks? I don't care if it's like super damaged, if there's anything mechanically good with it. And look, what are y'all doing to roll these damn vehicles, man? I don't understand. I should have put do not disturb on. I'm sorry for all the pop-ups.
Sold on approval.
That's ridiculous. 25 bucks. Another one. $25 cars, man. I haven't seen this in a while, man. 25 bucks. Look at this, man. 25 bucks.
Bonus time.
$25, man. Somebody bid. Somebody finally got to bid it. 25 bucks. Who's gonna get it? Sold.
Sold on approval.
Damn. Y'all gonna, that car wasn't as bad, but then, you have that, and then you go to this, and you're like, what the F, man? This truck is completely smashed. Again, I'm sorry for pop-ups. I should have put do not disturb on in advance. My bad, guys.
This is
was going to be a short video anyway. I just wanted to give you an idea of what, you guys were asking me. Somebody from Alaska was like, well, do we have one out here? So I was like, I think Copart's in Alaska. Let me look. And yeah, there it is. So you guys get an idea what some of these things are selling for. This looks like another rolled over vehicle. I'm wondering, are y'all that frisky that y'all can't wait till y'all get home? Is that what's happening? Are y'all like getting it in the truck
Bonus
and then
time.
it's too good and then you roll it? I'm just trying to figure out. Inquiring minds want to know what the F y'all are doing, man. Let's look at what else they got coming up on the list. They have so many rolled over vehicles for days, man. Jesus, that one got smashed though.
New bidder.
You know what it is? Y'all are going like 45, 50, 60 miles an hour out there, and then y'all hit ice, and it's like, over! That F-150 is kind of nice, though. Damn, only 22,000 miles on it? Looks like it could be a decent deal. I'm not seeing anything absolutely insane that I would absolutely have to have. I mean, this Ram for 25 bucks? 25 bucks, man. 25 bucks. You cannot beat this.
Bonus time.
Wow. Alright guys, so full video coming up here soon on the rebuild on this Chevy Trax right here, so stay tuned. I am about to get out of here and get my ass home. But without further ado, thank you guys very much for watching. There you go. There are $25 cars on Copart, and sometimes cheaper. It is a factual thing. You saw it for yourself. See you guys on the next one.